There has been a major travel warning issued to visa holders who are living in America or if you are traveling to America. Because right now, everyone is at risk, even citizens themselves. They are at risk in America because the power that was given to ICE people, those immigration officers, is very, very high. That the kind of control that they are carrying out now in America is massive. Visas and green card holders are being warned to hold off on international travel as they risk being detained or deported. If you are living in America with visa or you have green card, but your green card have had a kind of problem or you have having problem in the past, remember that this deportation issue is targeted on those with criminal record or if you have a immigration issue before in the past that the past administrations had overlooked. This administration of Donald Trump have given a green light to those ICE people to control anybody. But the most important thing is the kind of control that is going on at the airport. When you are coming in, they give them the right to control your phone, your laptop, anything that concerning you, anything that you carry or any document they see in your phone, in your laptop, they have the right to control you. Even the citizens of America, you have the right to refuse that control, but they will detain you until you give them the consent for them to check and control everything that you have before they will let you in as a citizen. Then imagine you as an immigrant who are coming or living there, staying there with visa, or you have green card. That you have green card, it is not a guarantee, except you have never committed anything before or you have never arrested by police of one thing or the other before. When they see a little mistake, they are going to capitalize on it to carry out dangerous activities on you. The Donald Trump administration has been tightening up border security nationwide, leading to increased security in U.S. airports and during border crossing, especially those that is crossing from Mexico coming to America and those crossing from Canada coming to America. Experts are now warning visa holders to avoid leaving the country if they want to return. So if you have a visa, they are warning you not to leave the country if you are planning to return back. Maybe you wanted to go to another country and carry out one or two things and come back. They're advising you to remain calm now in the country, except if you know that if you go, you are not coming back, then it is no problem. Because recently, more and more stories of legal visa and green card holders being detained has been popping up at an alarming rate. Additionally, searches of phones and the laptop are on the rise, with custom officers being given the green light to access travelers' personal data in the name of national security. These crackdowns are part of the President Donald Trump effort to reduce immigration, including legal immigrations. Executive Director Tasha explained as he told everybody, including US citizens, that they are at risk of having their phone and devices not only taken and searched, but the content also downloaded. America do have the right anyway to refuse this control, but risk being detained until they consent to the search of their phones and their laptop. You see that even the citizens are not spared in this exercise. Everything that you carried, you travel at, as long as the national security is concerned, they base their searching on this point of national security. They want to know everything that is on your phone. Any suspected thing they see on your phone, they will download it to study it further. And while they are studying this thing, they will detain the person. They will not just allow you to go. They will keep the person in detention and they carry out their issue. But what I wanted to ask is, if a citizens of America committed a serious crime, what are they going to do? Are they going to deport the person? No, of course, but they will eventually put the person into prison, as they have many a times make mistake by deporting someone who have an international protection in America, because the person has been found with one little thing, maybe marijuana or any little control in the past that the past administration has overlooked, they capitalize on it and deport the person back to his or her own country or to any country. As long as there is a plane that is taking people out that particular week, they will put the person into the plane and deport the person out of America. So it is a warning to everyone, visa holders, green card holders, to be aware. If you don't have any important thing that you are going outside the state to go and carry out, remain in the state and be vigilant, because international tourists, visa holders, and lawful permanent resident, popularly known as green card, faces detainment at airport and border crossing under the Trump administration's effort to curb immigration. While U.S. citizens have guaranteed access to the country, temporary visa holders have the least amount of protection against detainment and deportation. Temporary visas are most often granted to international students and the tourists who are coming into America for purpose of tourism. Earlier this month, Brown University urged international staff and the students to postpone travel plans outside the U.S. out of abundance of caution and curiosity. A few days ago, Petrova, a Russian researcher scientist at Harvard Medical School, was detained by ICE, the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Officer, and her visa was revoked at the airport for failing to disclose frog embryo sample at custom. Can you imagine this? According to court documents. Also, in mid-March, 34-year-old German electrician engineer Fabian, a green card holder originally from Germany, was taken to immigration detention from Logan International Airport in Boston and violently interrogated over a decade-old, misuse of marijuana charges against him. So, American pipe actress Jamel was detained at the U.S.-Mexico border while traveling to the state to renew her work visa, an experience she described as a deeply disturbing psychological experiment. At this time, experts warn visa holders to postpone any international travel and avoid detainment or being kicked out of the country. So be warned, you that just got your visa to travel to America, comport yourself very well, know exactly what you are going there to do. If you're already in America and you have your visa and your visa is about to expire, please go and renew your visa. If you have not wanted to return back to your country, you have not finished your business there, go and renew your renewable. Give reason why you wanted to extend your visa. They will extend it for you to have regular right to remain in America. So if you also a green card holder, please, if your green card have a little problem, or you know that you have committed some offenses in the past, always have your immigration lawyer stand by if you are moving, because this deportation issue of Donald Trump is getting out of hand. So I bring you this update to prepare you. It is not only to go to the embassy and they obtain visa, which you know that is very difficult to obtain now. Then you obtain it maybe at the airport. You will not be allowed entry into America or being deported. It will not be a very good thing. Please, mindful of what is in your phone and what is in your laptop, because every implicating story or anything that will implicate you, which they find on your laptop or on your phone, they will download it and they study it very well to know the main aim of those things. Keep your hand clean and please be safe. I wish you all the best. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.